This is a 1982 Casablanca Century 9000 ceiling fan. I got this fan off of Detroit Facebook Marketplace. This fan was in Grosse Pointe Woods. And this fan is in mint condition. It's like new. Because I think I got it from the original owners. I'm not sure because I did porch pickup because of the virus. But I think it's from the original owner because they included all of the paperwork, and I mean all. They included the owner's manual, the fan manual, the light kit manual. This fan had a light kit. It was a vague limited style light kit, but it was aftermarket, so I threw it away. But the light kit instruction that it came with was a K5 valve. They also included like the warranty card, the warning stickers and badges, the inspection sticker, and even the 1982 catalog, warranty card, and where they bought it, in more business cards, and a tag from where they bought it from, which is Ray Lightning in Sterling Heights, Michigan. This fan has working slumber quiet, which is a plus. It also included a Casablanca pull chain, which is still in the original package. But the tassel on it is also Casablanca, which is nice. So we will start this fan on low speed. This fan is in very nice condition. There is very little dust. It does have a spiral down rod too. The bearings are great. This fan was installed in the kitchen, but there's no grease on it, which is very surprising. I mean, it's like new. This fan is like new. 3 of the blades are droopy. It's not the brackets, it's the blades actually. The blades are drooping down for some reason, not sure why, but the brackets are perfectly fine. Because it's usually the brackets that are droopy, but for this it's the blades. Only one is still straight. I will turn the knob up a bit. It's a nice speed. This fan is very nice. And I will also not be keeping this fan. This fan is going to Geoff Doctor in trade of a fan. And that fan is a Casablanca Avalon in designer gray with 4 gray and black Avalon blades with a chrome switch cap. It's a pretty rare combination because designer gray Lady Delta motors are very hard to find. And I'm going to turn the speed knob up more. And it's moving a lot of air like all Casablancas do. And now to high speed. Not sure what that is, but it didn't make that sound before. It's probably just something rattling. It's very powerful, and now off. And it just hit the Dusty Rose blade a bit, which happens a lot. The flywheel is in very good shape. It looks like brand new. I've taken this fan apart and cleaned it, and it's dust free. Personally, I really don't like Century 9000s I think they look really ugly. Because their faceplate is just so flat. But one interesting thing is this, as these don't use like normal Casablanca screws that hold the faceplate. These actually are you cannot see the screws at the bottom plate because they are held in with force. Which I think is very neat. And I will bring the camera in closer. There's the top. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.